I know that everything come and go, but what I'm gonna do in my life before I die? You say that we can never ever change. Hey, I treat this world like whatever may. Pray before I meet them in the sky, then maybe I can save your life before they say die. Get that money, stack that paper. You wanna live forever, bet it's something you get paid for. Got this
Martin has made what are they called? Loafers. Loafers. There you go.
As I pursue what I was told to make my life better. I found out to make my life better. Journeyed on this Star Trek, begging to be made whole. My heart became a black hole. No Captain Kirk, no. Darkness surrounded me, evil confounded me. Worst part about it, it was all found in me. Now what I got to live for? What you tell you cheering by me in the end for? I'd be okay if I never blow. And if you never make it to a show.
They told me, put your thinking hat on.